Hello everyone, welcome to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into German American Bank account online. If you've recently enrolled for online banking for German American Bank and you'd like to log into your account, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by clicking open a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in germanamerican.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of German American Bank. At the top right hand corner, you'll be able to see a pop-up box. Select your banking type from the top. Since I'm going to log into my online banking, let me click on this online banking option. Now enter your username into the first text box. Make sure to type it in correct. In case you don't remember your user ID, click on Forgot User ID or Password link and follow the instructions to look for your user ID. Similarly, enter your password on the next text field, and if you also don't remember your password, click on the same link and follow the instructions so that you can reset to a new password. Now, once you type in your password, click on this little eye icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password before moving on. If you'd like to enroll for online banking since you've not yet, click on Enroll Now link and follow the instructions. Finally, after entering all of the information, click on Sign In and you'll be logged into German American Bank account in no time. That is how you'll be able to access to your online banking for German American Bank. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.